la yam Kinsan. He died suddenly. La yo bang. Did he get sick? Shu kta kli. He got headache. Ha ka por ayu clot. At what time he passed away? Dang step perngap. Early in the morning. Ha kapor sao baje step. At 4 o'clock in the morning.